أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي زدني علما ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू मैम।
How are you all?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैम, आप कैसी हैं?
Alhamdulillah, Allah का शुक्र है. Thank you so much for asking. Inshallah, so in today's session, we are going to learn about this shape of ba, which we have discussed in the previous session, and about Jim Haqa. Okay, inshallah, with the measurement. So, I have asked you to do the practice without the nukta, freehand calligraphy practice. So, now today we will measure all the strokes, and inshallah, we will do it with the measurement. So before I jump in directly into the letters, first I want to discuss about this, which we have previously discussed, this shape of bar. So as I have mentioned that the width, that the length, height will be around 3 nukat. Okay. Now the width should be around 5 to 6 nukat. But if you leave, like if you don't give any measurement over here, then also it is fine according to some of the calligraphers. Okay, according to some of the calligraphers, if you made the shape correctly, you don't have to give the measurement. But according to the some of the, like most of the calligraphers, we need to give the measurement. So today we are going to learn about it. I'm putting it aside. Okay. So let's see the first stroke of ba. As I have mentioned earlier, that we need to make it little bit thin in between. This stroke is the one which you need to master. Like from here, you'll go up, little bit up, and then slowly you'll come down, downwards, and then like this. Like it should be thick in the starting and in the end, but thin in between. Okay. So this is what we have learned in the previous session. The height should be of 3 nukat. Now after this will come little bit straight like istakrar stroke, and then after it we'll give south. So though it is looking very flat from in between, but when we make it, it will look like this. This is the bar's third shape. Okay. Now from here to here, I'll make it again. It is not looking good. Okay. Now from here till here, it can be around 5 to 6 nukat. 5 to 6 nukat. And we will measure it in this manner, not this manner. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your sixth nukat. So this is how you are going to measure it. Also, as I have mentioned earlier about this kind of tail, on your bar. So this is again exceptional case. In some of the calligraphers, they go for this tail to add more beauty in the letter. Some of them they avoid it. They just make it like this. That's all. Fine. This is a little bit too deep. ये 3.5 नुकात करीब बनेगा because I have made it freehand. So my main motive is here, not here. So the height is 3 nukat, but the width is around 5 to 6 nukat, in between 5 to 6 nukat, and in some of the places it can also be 4 to 6, 4 to 5 to 6 nukat. Okay, and we will measure it like this, not like this. The height will be of 3 nukat. Is it clear? Also, when you make it, make sure, like here we will give half nukat, not half nukat, a small circle drop like we did in our previous letter. I forget which one, but we did this, right? I guess in the second shape of bar we did it. Right here. Exactly like this. Like little bit drop of a zero, little circle. We will give a little drop over here. Okay? So are we done with the bar? Is it clear? Should we move to Jim Hafa?
So you won't show the extension for now. We let the extension be, ma'am.
Extension don't have any measurement. If you made the
Achha.
extension, it's fine. You can make it. Some of the calligraphers they go for it, but but it doesn't have any measurement. It's just that you need to make it thick in between. That's all. It's not that it is wrong or something like that. No, you can make it. It's absolutely right. It's just that some of the calligraphers they made it, some of them they don't, and it doesn't have any particular measurement.
Right. And also, ma'am, how do we know, like, how do we measure, like, for us when we are practicing? Do we put the sixth or five nukats before we draw the dip or after we draw the dip?
It's basically after you draw it because if you make it at first, then the curve will be disturbed. Right,
Right.
here the curve will be disturbed, so it's better to measure it after making it.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you see that your path are like it's not even 4, 5 or 6, it's not between these, then make it again, do the practice. Okay, I was seeing some of like other calligraphers work, and I like noticed this thing that as I mentioned here, one nukat, some of them they have made it only half nukat, half nukat here, half nukat here. So in total, just one nukat, and here it's one and half. So like my ustad, he used to make one nukat deep, and as I was watching others, so it was half nukat. See, half nukat, one nukat, it's acceptable in Arabic calligraphy. It's not that you have to be in that particular measurement only. There are some measurements which is fixed, like here it cannot go till 3 nukat. It's between 1.5 to 2 nukat, it cannot go to 3, right? Here it is 1.5, it can be 1 as well, but it cannot be 2. So it's between 1 and 1.5. Here the measurement is around 5 nukat, so it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6 nukat. Okay, 4 nukat ka bhi bana sakte ho, but it will be little, small. So preferred is 5th or 5 nukat. It can go up to 6. Here same, 5 to 6 to 7. Oh sorry, not 7, 4 to 5 to 6. So this is the measurement which we follow for these letters. Okay. Now, should we move to our Jim Hafa?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So for Jim Hafa, we have four shapes in Jim Hafa in our Fatal Visam. So we have a lot to discover. First, let's do it over here. So in Jim Hafa, let's talk about the first shape. I have asked you to practice alif in different angles with different directions. So this one I have asked you to practice, right? This was the shape which I was asking you to practice. So now we will make this shape only, but this is quite big. I'll make it again in the measurement of only 4 nukat. So let's make it till 4 nukat. One, two, three, four. Okay? So this shape will be under 4 nukat. After this is our first stroke. Now for the second stroke, what we will do, we will keep our column here at the end of it and we will move upward till we come, like we have to move our column totally out of it once we reach to the 2 nukat. Like from here, see. The moment you reach 2 nukat, your column should be out of your first row. So you are not merging it anymore. Now we will continue it and will drop down here. Almost in the same shape like this. Now see, the distance which you need to maintain is this one. Like you cannot exceed this line. You have to stay in between here. Okay. So this is your first stroke, second stroke, and third stroke. I will say it as third stroke, though it is just one, but I'm saying this one as one. This is at two, and this is three. So now we have three strokes. Also, the distance over from here to here, it should be around 3 nukat. Okay, it will be 3 nukat. Now we have two options over here. First, let me make it again here. So now we have two shapes. You just have to add this curve over here. So what we have now, we can make this big alif over here. You'll give half connection and then will come like this. This is your Jim Hafa. If you make Jim, then you just have to put Nukta in between. If you're making Ha, just leave it like this. If you're making Pa, give Nukta above. Okay? At the head, at the top. Now the measurement of this, it can be from 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 till 7. Okay? So let's see, let's measure it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost like 5 and a bit. So it's 5 nukat. Now the measurement here, as I have mentioned, it should be around 1, 2, 3. 3 nukat. And if you're making it Jim, then you just give the nukta over here. Now it is your Jim. Jim Hafa. So this is your first shape of Jim, Ha, and Fa. If I talk about the length from this part to this part, then it will be of three nukat again. One, two, and three. Okay. Though in this shape we do not measure it like this, but just if you are making and if this question comes to you, then it should be 3 by 3. Fine. Now come to this next shape. I'm making this head without measurement right now. Now for the second shape of Jim Haha, we'll keep our column over here, half connection again. I'll make this video, I forget it to upload it. Jim Haha. Okay. We'll keep our column at the half connection, and then we will curve it like this. It should be little bit more curved. Here the weather is not so good. I was, like lightning was so loud, so I was thinking to cancel the session, but I really didn't want it to. So I thought, no, it's better to take the session, even if it's for half an hour. So this is how you are going to make it. Again, the measurement inside will be same, 3 by 3. From here to here, from here to here, it should be 3. Okay. It will be little bit more curved, like it should like this. It looks like this. So these are the two shapes of Jim Ha Fa. Is it clear?
Ma'am, the red one that you have drawn, that will come exactly half of it will be merged with the blue on the top.
It's totally half.
नहीं मैम, वो जीम का जो ऊपर का कर्व है, जो मून शेप है, आधा
This one.
मून फर्स्ट, हाँ, दिस वन विल बी merge with the.
Okay. So if I divide it into two parts, the first will come from the first part. It will merge a little bit. Like you can see this purple part right here and here. But once you reach the high, like this point, two nukat. After two nukat, your column should be totally out of it. Okay, like if I remove this, then see, it is kind of looking like a Y.
Right.
Right. So your column
Not
should be
a lot,
totally out.
so it won't be too much inside, it'll be little outside.
If we will merge it first in the first row, and slowly when we are moving, we will make sure that after two nukat, our column should be totally out of our first row. No more
Okay,
merging.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is your Jim Hafa. Shape number 1. This is your shape number 1. This is your shape number 2. Now for shape number 3, again the width of it will be 4 nukat. No, no. 4 nukat width. And how you are going to make it? Like this. Little bit up. Make it little bit curvy. Like this. Now you may ask कि कितना like how deep we should go. So around half nukta is enough. Okay. So this is the shape. Let me make it again. This is the shape. First and again after two nukat, we will make sure that our next stroke, which is first merging in it, then the moment we like reach second nukat, we make sure that the stroke should be out of it. So now my stroke is totally out, and from here I'll go like this. Okay. When it comes to the tail of Jim Ha, then it should look like this. Like here, you will make it like this. Okay. This is how you are going to make the tail of Jim Ha. Now, some of the calligraphers, not some of the calligrapher, once you are pro with these strokes and all, then it will be easy for you to move your pen in such a manner. Okay. But as of now, what you will do, you can keep your column, you can keep this tip, the one which is, unsi. We will make the outline of it like this, and then later on you can fill it up. Okay. As of now, once you're comfortable with the strokes of moving, like how to move your column, then it will be easy for you to move your column in any direction. Again, the measurement will be same. 3 nukat, 1, 2, 3 nukat here, 1, 2, 3 nukat here. Okay. This is the measurement you have for this. Also, one more thing to keep in mind, that we are going to draw this line. You cannot this part, the middle part of your जीमहा का जिसको हम पेट भी बोलते हैं जीमहा का, this should not exceed this line, like it should not look like this. If you're making it like this, then it is wrong. Also, not like this, like two, you're ending it in here only in two nukas or me. Okay. So if there is some gap like this, very small circle, then it is totally fine. But do not make it like a lot of gap should not be there, because if you give a lot of gap over here, then these nuktas will be disturbed. Okay. So make sure that three nuktas should come in the height and the width. Fine. So these are the measurement. Also, if you may ask that what should be the height here, so there is no such measurement here, but yes, here you can say that we have a measurement. But if you skip it, it's totally fine. It should be 1 nukat and half nukat over here. Again, half nukat and around 1 nukat over here. But if you want, you can skip this part. So this is your one Jim Haka. Another one will be exactly same till here. It's just that you have to give this tail with this shape. How? Also, you can extend this part like here I did. You can extend this part just to add more beauty to your letter. Okay? Like this, you can add. Also, if you want, not want actually, the space over here should be around 1 nukat. I made it freehand, so it is looking little different with the measurement. So this is how you're going to make your Jim Hafa. These are the shapes. Shape number 1, shape number 2, shape number 3, shape number 4. Okay. So you practice all 4 of it plus this one, this bar. Any question? This is all for today. Our topic is done. Now, if you have any question, you can ask.
Just another clarification, ma'am. The drop of the first ha jim ha, the extension one of the bottom, it can be 5.5, 5 or 6, is it?
It can be like 5 to 6 to 7 nokat. I will say that as we are making it only for the like these letters a little bit small, so don't go for 7 nokat. Stay between 5 to 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Like just a suggestion. It's not compulsory thing. You can of course go till 7, but if you go till 7, it will be little bit more big. You can do that in your compositions when you are making it. The composition there you can go till up to 7 nukat and even more according to the need of the composition. But as of now, as we are learning the standalones, then here it will be better if you stay between 5 to 6 nukat.
Jazakallah khair, ma'am.
Yeah, I mean, any other question? Also, one more thing. If I make one line, then see there is a gap. I'm not specifying the gap, though it is like looking like a one nukta, but I'm not saying that you need to give around one nukta space over here. Just give some space. Do not, make it like this. Like it should not come till here. It should end somewhere before it. Okay. Nafi, do you have any question?
No, ma'am, no.
All clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then do a lot of practice, and inshallah, I am not like able to find any time to check your work, but inshallah, I'll do it maybe on Saturday, Sunday, or maybe I'll pause the session and do that someday. Okay, but inshallah, in this week, I'll try my best to check your work. So kindly share your work, do a lot of practice. This requires initial days requires a lot of practice. Once you are comfortable with the column, it will be easy for you. Okay, but in initial days, try to do a lot of practice.
मैम एक बार जिस कलम से लिख के दिखा दें मैम.
Okay, sure. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, and I will give nukta from bigger column, inshallah, so that it will look good. नहीं ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. Let's make nukta with this. Your qalam is totally out once you are reaching the mid of it. So make sure that once you reach the mid, your qalam should be out of it. I have like right now the line, but it's been many years. I have seen some of the calligrapher. They made Jim Hafa. The width of it was about 5 nukat. 5 nukat. So they took the mid, like 2.5 nukat. But it was very rare because it's been very like many years that I have seen someone making Jim Hafa with 5 nukat. Okay. Okay. No more questions. Still, if you are left with any of the question, you can drop your text in the group, inshallah. Okay, then I'm concluding the session over here. Inshallah, we'll meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same timing, 9 p.m. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ma'am.